What's good, YouTube Flight Nation? Back with another video, guys. This one is not a workout. I worked out earlier at 7 a.m. I worked on abs and my back. That was really it. It was nothing. It was just more grinding. That's why I didn't record, because I was too focused. But I'm gonna show you guys how to make horchata. Simple ways you guys can get in the stores, any store like Walmart, all that stuff. But if you guys enjoyed the video, by the end of this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that. With that said, let's get right into the video.
Diamonds they nation all over my body. You try to text me, turn to a homie. Gotta be on me, I just catch a molly. Sipping on lean, now I feel like a zombie. I'm with the gang and be dumb if you try me.
Alright guys, this is all you guys really need to make horchata. Simple. This ain't my secret one, but I'm gonna show you how to make one way of making it. All you need is cinnamon, vanilla, as you can see right there, some rice, which I'll explain right here. You guys see rice right there? Evaporated milk, and then we have condensed milk. So we need these two. This one is a 14 ounce. This one is a 12 ounce. And then we're gonna need a blender. You guys can see it right there. A teaspoon, whatever we call these, and this to drain the rice. So you can see what I did is you put rice. I put like a third of a cup of rice in here, and I put warm water. I let it sit there for about 2 hours, so it's really soft. Yeah, it's squishy. See, look at it. You guys can see. So that's done. So now what I'm gonna do is drain it out, as you'll see right now. Alright guys, here we go. Also guys, I couldn't really say I want the measurements. If you guys want the measurements, we're gonna need like 100 likes. If you guys want to know the measurements, because I'm still experimenting and all that stuff, so also I don't feel like saying it. Once we drain the rice, we literally just put it inside here, so you guys can see. Then we get cinnamon. You guys get cinnamon, put it inside. Literally, I'm just like guessing too much. It's about, you know, you have to have the feels. Also, putting this on vanilla. This is important, guys. This is what gives it the flavor. The vanilla. Next, you put this stuff in. We put the evaporated milk and condensed milk inside here. Comment down below your favorite Mexican drink. We have jarritos, horchata, jamaica, all that stuff. Comment down what's your favorite. This one's my favorite, to be honest, horchata. I'm still experimenting, guys. I'm trying to figure it out. Like, I know how to make different types of one, but this is a simple one that's quick, easy, make within a couple minutes. But this usually, like, the rice takes 2 hours, but other than that, it takes like 10 to 15 minutes to make. Here's the condensed milk. Here's the evaporated milk. Right there, right there. So we're gonna put whichever one first. It doesn't matter. You can see right there. Then we're gonna pour this. You guys can see right there. You guys can go. That's how it looks right now. Next, we're gonna blend this, and yeah, I'll show you guys right there. We blend it. Mix this up. We're gonna blend it for about 2 minutes on high. So yeah, guys, you guys can see that right now. Here you guys go. This is how it looks right now. It smells really good. You can smell the rice. It smells really good. But let's see. Next, we're gonna pour it in here. Right here, as you can see. Lastly, we are going to pour some water. You guys can see right here. I'll leave it right here, guys. We're gonna use this to mix this. There you guys have it, horchata, right here. That's how you make it. I'm gonna test it, see how it tastes, a live taste test, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna leave it right here. I'm gonna try it. You're actually supposed to put it in a refrigerator to cool, but we're just gonna drink it. We're gonna drink it for the YouTube. See right here, guys? Here's my horchata. Taste test right here, we go. That's good. It needs to be cold. That's good. It's creamy. It is creamy. That is good. Guys, here you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys know any ingredients. If I'm doing it wrong, how you guys make your horchata, all that stuff. But with that said, see you guys in the next video. Peace.